So Smart Snow Pusher is a concept that we developed with the goal of offering a blade that is do-it-yourself. So you receive the blade in a wooden crate, as you can see, the one behind us, and you assemble it yourself. So it offers you a snow plow that is simple yet rugged and very low maintenance, very easy maintenance, simply because everything is bolt on, bolt off. If you damage or wear or needed to replace a part, you simply unbolt the damaged part and bolt on the new part. It's also very user-friendly. It's a rubber edge pusher, so there's not that many bells and whistles on it, but the structural integrity of it is based on the 40 plus years of experience that we have in the field. And being bolt on, bolt off can actually increase its structural integrity in certain areas, and that's what we have seen. Maintenance, of course, is the biggest thing. When you damage a side gate because you ran into a curb a little too hard, a little too strong, having to take your plow into a shop and cut and weld is very expensive. It takes time, as opposed to bolt on, bolt off is minutes, and anybody can do it. You don't need a specialized mechanic to do that. That's kind of the concept.